Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do one of my very favorite ab exercise. It's a lying leg raise. So grab a yoga mat, grab an aerobic pad, head to the ground, and for this one you're going to start just laying totally prone. You want to keep your lower back pressed into the ground throughout this movement. Hands are just going to be down at your sides. So you're literally keeping straight legs, bringing it up and down. So full range of motion on this one. If you can keep your lower back pressed down, you can allow your feet to come so that your heels actually touch and that you touch overhead. If you start to arch your back and come up, then you want to stop your feet wherever that starts to happen. But you're really feeling those lower abs contract throughout the movement. Okay, that is a lying leg raise.